Hi there, I'm Vicky Parfano from Aussie Stampers. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another in the series of 25 planner hacks you need to try. So today I'm going to show you my month per view, my week per view, how I set that up. I'm also going to show you how I create this tracker in the back, and I'm going to show you how you can make a cover for your planner, and I'm going to show you a whole slew of tricks with washi tape. And anybody who is a planner like I am knows that washi tape can really make things easy. There are so many easy hacks with washi tape that just make things a whole lot simpler in your planner. So let's get cracking. So I'm going to start off with March, and the cover for March is this page here. Now this initially in the planner looks like this. So you can see how I've added decoration to that. And I've put in my professional goals, my personal goals before, because after all, we do need to plan for fun. It just doesn't happen. We need to make some plans. I've put my menu plan, which is what I use my planner for, as well as other things. And this is the first little washi hack that I'm going to show you. So if you've got some washi tape like this that has spots on it, you can use that as bullet points. So you can see this is lined paper. I've made bullet points with this. So I created these with my Dymo labeler on clear tape, so the colours still show through. I've used one of my little stamps here. I've done a little doodle of a YouTube play button. So just all these things that I need to remember, my professional, my personal, my monthly meals, which I like, and I've used one of the stickers here. So this is the next page, and this is the month per page, or month per double page. It starts off like this, and what I've done is I've used the stamp up here to mark out where the month is. I've written in all the numbers. It starts on a Thursday, reads across this way, and I have used some of the stickers that come in the kit and some of the gold foil that comes in the kit. And one of the tricks I want to show you, a little hack here, is how you can use a couple of nice markers as highlighters. So you can see how I've highlighted things under here. It's pretty simple to do. So for instance, I'm going to take this soft pink and just look how fast this is to highlight. And isn't that pretty? And this is a really important date. I have an appointment that I don't want to miss, so I'm going to put a circle around that with my highlighter. So here we have another hack for you using coloured pens, not in terms of everything has to be written in a different colour. I like writing everything in black. I'm not a big colour coder. These aren't significant in that the pink doesn't mean one thing and the green means another. My brain just doesn't work that way. But it does help show what is happening. It does highlight it, and it looks really pretty. Okay, so there's my month per view. Now we'll get on to the week per view. And in the previous video, I explained that this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We don't need to see that. I've covered that up with some simple cards. And here, very much the same principle that I've used in the month per view. I've used a lot more of the gold stickers initially, and I haven't used any of those smaller stickers yet because this month is still about to happen, is it not? I have my focus for the month, which is a little thing I like to do. This says, worry less, live more, and this is on the Sunday, which is not in the month. So I covered up the Sunday, used some of these gold foil. But what will happen is, as I go through my days in March, I will get up on the Thursday morning and I will maybe make a note to underline something, add things in. I'll put my AM, my PM, anything that needs to happen that day as I get through the month. Now, the thing that I do want to particularly draw your attention to is this tracker. And I've had people ask me how I do this tracker, so I'm going to show you how simple it is. This is another washi hack. And I'll just show it to you. I'll bring it up a little bit closer. This is probably a better way to read it. So I've written all the numbers of the month, and I've written the things that I need to track. Now, this could be whatever you want to track. This is my personal tracking method, but I've written the date 1 to 31, and I have my AM routine, my PM routine, my sleep before 11 p.m. and my awake before 7:30 a.m. because this is a sleep pattern that I want to track because I'm working on having more regular hours of sleep. And if you're like me, if you get out of your regular sleep hours, it's really difficult to get back into them again. My water, so making sure I'm hydrating, and my social, which is, you know, did I actually leave the house today? Go and talk to somebody, phone somebody, what have you. When you're working from home, it's important to keep that balance going. So I have my AM routine, and it's all about being someone who works from home, I think. AM routine, PM routine, sleep before 11 p.m, awake before, which means I'm not up filming videos at 2 o'clock in the morning, yay. I'm sure no one else does things like that. Awake before 7:30 p.m, water, have I hydrated, and social. So that's my goals. And then I have room here to write how I think that went. And this is just what I like to do personally. You might have business goals. You might have things like financial goals. You might have any kind of goals. But how I made this, and this is the tip for you, is with some washi tape. So I just took these very slim washi tapes and laid them down, and so I can fill those in for each day of the month. Yes, did I do this? 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 And I can leave little comments. So that's a tracker, and that's something that a lot of planners find useful. I know I do myself, because it's kind of a progress thing, but it also is a very quick way of checking something off. Okay, so that's the first tip. The next tip I want to show you is another washi tip. Now I have these. I'll just put this over there because that's a bit glary. Okay, let's move it up. I have made these little washi flags. So these are like little page markers. I'll put another one up here so you can see this one. Little bow paper clips made of washi. And it's really simple to make these. I'll make one for you right now. These are made with these little hair, what are they called? I was trying to call them hair bow clips, but they're not. They're bow paper clips. And they're on clearance at the moment in my online store. And you can also buy this. Everything I'm showing you here is available in my online store if you live in Australia. The link is below. So anything you like, just hop on over there and purchase it from me. Now, this is what they look like. And I'm going to show you how simple this is. I mean, you could possibly even have already figured out how I've done this, but there's a couple of little tricks to making it a bit easier. The first time I tried making these, I cut myself a little length of washi tape and then it curled up everywhere on me. So I recommend first and foremost, you leave it on the roll. I'm just going to bring this up here so you can see. Just feed it through and pull your clip to where you want it to be. Double it over and cut. Now this little one I've just done like an edge on it. This one I've done a flag. I really like the flag, but this one I'm just going to do straight, because you can then take a pen, I'll bring it up here where you can see, and you can write on it. So cool. And then say I had some notes over here. I made some notes on this page over here. Let's get a page that I could put some notes on here. There we go. There's my notes. How cool is that? Yeah, pretty good. So that's another little washi tape hack. I want to make a cover for this because when I take this to team meetings where there are a lot of other people who might have this planner, I actually would like to know that it's my planner that I'm picking up and not someone else's, and I want to personalize it. Okay, I'm going to take one of the dashboards. Now the reason I have a spare dashboard is because I bought the refill kit, and it means you have 12 dashboards that are extraneous to your needs. So I have the dashboard. This is for July, and this is what I've done. I've decorated it really, really simply. I mean, this is so easy. I'm almost embarrassed to tell you how easy it was. But I've taken the Love Today stickers off here, put them across here, and these stickers here come from the gold stickers that Stampin' Up! Have at the moment in their catalogues. And I just took some of these linear stickers and put them across where the lines are. And I really like it. I just think it looks really, really cute. So obviously we don't want the nib, and I'm going to trim off where the planner holes are here because I don't want two holes sitting there. So I'll bring my planner in and do that now. Now I'm just going to attach that with some double-sided tape. You could use tear and tape, but I feel if I want to change this cover, I want to be able to actually get this off. And with the tear and tape, I might damage the cover if I wanted to change this. So I want this to be changeable. So I'm just going to use some of this double-sided tape. Now it's really easy to line up because of the dots. Yummy. So there's my cover for my planner. The other thing that I've gone and done, I'll show you this too, is I've taken another set of the gold stickers and I have decorated the spine so that when this is sitting in my bookshelf with my journals, with my traveler's notebooks, with my photo albums, I'm going to be able to see this is the Love Today planner. So how easy and quick was that to decorate your planner? And I like it. I think it looks pretty stylish. So just a quick recap of what we've done today. Lots of planner hacks here in parts 1, 2 and 3. Different ways of storing things in here. Doing washi tape. Showing you what my setup is for the month. Showing you what my month to a page setup looks like. Showing you what I do for my week to a page. Giving you the tips on using the highlighters, using some clips, and some other clips you might like to use in your planner are these. These are also available in my shop at the moment, a little bit like a clipboard. So you've got a clipboard going there. I'm going to keep this in my planner. A couple more things that I have in my planner that I have made myself. I've made some fancy little clips. So this one I have made with just some sparkly tulle, which I wrapped around a paper clip, and then I put a little sparkly detail on it. I love this. So this is another clip, and this is a tassel that I made from baker's twine, very thick baker's twine. Put it over the paper clip, wound some white baker's twine around it, tied it in a knot back. Look how pretty that is. It really matches well. In fact, I might even put these, because they're so pretty, I think I'm going to put them on my front dashboard, because yeah, I want to see these when I open this planner up. So there you have some pretty tassels that I've made for my planner. So I hope you enjoyed this series. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do with your planner. So if you use the hashtag 25plannerhacks and put that on your Instagram account, I would love to see what you've been doing. So hashtag 25plannerhacks. You can buy this in Australia from me at my shop below, and everything I've used here is available in my shop. I hope you enjoy your planners as much as I'm enjoying mine, and I hope you get as much out of it as possible. I'll see you soon for another card making video, and thanks for your company. Remember, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.